Kamaljeet now joins us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, Jitendra Singh there facing the storm over his comment where he had said language neutral for the UPSC exam.
Well, definitely so. As a matter of fact, the government has opened a Pandora's box, and what we saw inside Rajya Sabha, Jitendra Singh, the MOS, PMO and the DOPT seemingly looking very uncomfortable, and obviously he was surrounded by DMK, IDMK as well as TMC members who were trying to tell him that it's all not just about English or Hindi, it was also about other regional languages, saying the languages which are in the 8th schedule should also be included, and saying the rest of the students coming from across the country are treated as second-class students, and obviously they're trying to douse the controversy. Venkaiah Naidu came to really help and said that it is true that the government is trying to do all. They cannot appease all, and they do understand the sort of sentiments that are coming to the fore, but this is the best that the government can really do. But we do expect that the Prime Minister will perhaps not take perhaps a meeting, but there could be a via media which could be found out. We do understand that students do not really accept this theory, but they also know there would be divergent views coming in from different sections, and as Venkaiah Naidu said, they cannot be appeasing all. So will there be any sort of postponement, as some of these students are demanding, saying they've spent enough time on the streets? That is something the government may go ahead and really look into.